What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. You already know what time it is. It's iPhone season, iPhone year, and today we have two iPhones in the building. We're looking at the 15 Plus in blue and the 15 Pro Max in white titanium. So we're going to take a look at the 15 Plus first, and then we'll get to the 15 Pro Max. So just a little bit about this 15 Plus. It's a 6.7-inch display, Retina XDR display, and it also has aluminum with the color infused into the glass back. So that should be exciting to see. We have still the ringer / silent switch, so it hasn't changed to the action button like it did on this 15 Pro Max. But now we have the dynamic island. It has the Apple A16 Bionic chip inside of it, and that has 5 cores for the GPU. We're looking at a better 48 megapixel main camera and also an ultra wide. So you're not getting the 3 cameras like you are on the 15 Pro Max, but still these should be great cameras. This should get you around 26 hours of video playback. And of course, the main event, the USB Type-C port is finally on this phone. That's what we all came to see. So we don't need all these extra chargers anymore. We just need the USB Type-C charging cable. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. Pull this tab and this one too. And look how easy that is. And let's go ahead and take that off. This definitely is a muted blue. This almost looks white, but it definitely does feel good in the hand. But I wouldn't really call this is more like a frost white kind of color, if I'm being honest. But we'll put that to the side. And of course, in the box now, you get the USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, and it's braided. This is a nice cable. So nice of them to include this cable in us not having to buy an extra cable. We're probably already going to need a charging brick. But as you see, there's nothing else in the box. Get a couple Apple information, the typical Apple stuff, Apple sticker here. So that's about it for the 15 Plus, and the 15 Pro Max will probably be the same, but we'll go ahead and start tearing this apart. And of course, with this one, it has the A17 chip from Apple, and it also has a 48 megapixel camera, but it has a triple camera setup here. I do like this color, this white titanium. And this is noticeably lighter than the previous 14 Pro Max. You notice that right away. Not sure how I feel about this action button quite yet, but I'll let you guys know in the full review. If I'm being honest, these two colors look very similar. So this is the blue color on the 15 Plus, and this is the white titanium on the 15 Pro Max. And to me, these look very similar. And so what else do you get in the box with the 15 Pro Max? Same stuff, USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, Apple information, along with some stickers, and that's about it. So typical unboxing from Apple, but what we care about are the devices. And just going around the devices, I feel like this 15 Pro Max definitely feels better in the hand than the last model, the 14 Pro Max. So if you guys are worried and concerned about that with the new titanium build, if it would be, uncomfortable in the hand, I don't believe so. I think it's a lot more comfortable, and also the sides are rounded. Seems a little more rounded than before. So guys, let me go ahead and slap on some of these cases I have. This one is for the 15 Plus. Let's just see how it looks. I think that looks good. And of course, it's MagSafe capable. And then we got one for the 15 Pro Max. That fits good as well. Nice little kickstand. just for comparison. And then I got one more, of course, the fine woven case for the 15 Pro Max. And we have this in, I forget what color this is. What is this? Mulberry. That's what it is. I ordered it but forgot the color name. So we have this in mulberry. And I'm not sure which one I'm going to be rocking on the phone quite yet. You guys drop a comment and let me know which one you think looks better. But let's toss that one on too. Oh, I can't lie. This looks really nice. And for recycled material, it feels more like a suede material. It definitely doesn't feel as comfortable as the leather version of the case that Apple discontinued. But this suede feeling, I could dig it. I like it. It doesn't feel like it's as slippery either. So I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to be rocking, but you guys let me know what you think. 15 Plus, 15 Pro Max. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Peace.